Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change ball joints on a Ram 3500. First, ensure your safety by properly lifting and supporting the truck on sturdy jack stands. Next, remove the wheel and tire. Then, carefully unbolt the brake caliper and rotor, making sure to hang the caliper so it doesn't strain the brake line. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's move on to disassembling the front end. You'll need to remove the 4 bolts that hold the wheel hub assembly in place. Once those are out, gently slide the axle shaft free from the differential, being careful not to damage any seals. Finally, use a pickle fork or a suitable tool to separate the steering linkage from the steering knuckle, allowing it to swing freely. With the knuckle free, it's time for the main event, replacing the ball joints. First, check for and remove any snap rings on the lower ball joint. Then, using a specialized ball joint press, carefully press out the old upper and lower ball joints. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces to ensure a proper fit. Finally, press the new ball joints into their positions until they are completely flush. Now, let's put everything back together. Reinstall the steering linkage, axle shaft, and the wheel hub assembly. Torque the upper ball joint nut to 70 foot-pounds and the lower ball joint nut to 150 foot-pounds. Reattach the brake rotor and caliper, then mount your wheel. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is essential after this repair for optimal handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.